Let's make chicken and mac and cheese. Take all of the chicken and put it in your pan. Smells pretty bad. Come on.
Slimy sucker.
Now we're gonna fill up the saucepan with water to boil for the mac and cheese. Cut. We're gonna put on high heat and let that boil for about 8 minutes. We've marinated the chicken in some olive oil and vinegar, and we're just gonna let it sit for a few minutes. We're letting the grill heat up, and we're gonna throw the chicken on in a few. We have some steam in the bag green beans that we're gonna throw in the microwave for a little bit. We got the chicken on the grill. Close it up. Water is boiling. Add all of your mac and cheese noodles. Now we're going to stir it up so all those noodles can get cooked. Flipping the chicken. We're going to put the green beans in the microwave. Setting up the colander in the sink so we can drain the macaroni. Flip that chicken again. Uh-oh. Come on, please. There we go. Almost ready. Pour that right in the colander. Butter time. Let's add a little splash of milk. And then we're going to add all of our cheese. Turn off the grill. Now we're going to take our chicken and put it on the plate. Taste test. Mmm. 5 stars.